In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the couldn't sign in error on CapCut, both on PC and mobile. First, let's start with mobile. If you're getting the sign-in error on your phone, the most common reason is a weak internet connection. So the first thing you should do is switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off. Also make sure any VPN is turned off, because VPNs can block CapCut from logging in. Next, open Settings, go to Apps, find CapCut, and clear the cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your projects. After that, reopen CapCut and try signing in again. Now, for PC users, the steps are a bit different. Start by checking your internet connection and make sure your browser or CapCut app is updated. If you're using CapCut Web, try opening it in a different browser. Sometimes browser cookies block the login process, so clear cookies and cache if needed. If you're using the CapCut desktop app, make sure your time and date settings are correct. Wrong time settings can cause login failures. You should also try signing in with another method, like Google, TikTok, or Facebook, to see if the issue is with one login provider. Finally, if none of these steps work, uninstall CapCut and install it again. A fresh install usually fixes most login problems. And that's how you fix the couldn't sign in error on CapCut for both PC and mobile. Thanks for watching.